Choosing the right business or brand name is very important. It can make a great impact on your customers and audience. So today we are going to discuss 7 steps that you can take into consideration before choosing your brand name. Step 1. Create a list and start brainstorming all the possible terms for your business name. Write down any word that you think that relate to your brand, business or industry. For example, if you have a brand on baking, try brainstorming the terms related to recipes, pastries or desserts. Step 2. Choose a name that represents your brand. In these steps, there are 3 things that you need to check. Number 1. Mission. You need to identify keywords that properly reflect your brand. These keywords should showcase your brand's values and mission while making a powerful impact. Number 2. Your voice. It's also important to choose a business name that matches the tone of your company. To do this, you need to first identify your brand. Is it friendly, inspirational or entertaining? Number 3. Your audience. Your business name is the first thing your audience will see or hear. It can help people remember you, generate immediate interest and create intrigue. So when choosing a brand name, always keep your audience in mind. Step 3. Narrow down your options. The third step is to narrow down your options in the list. Just cross out any names that do not reflect your brand. You also want to avoid business names that are too long or complicated. The easier it is to remember, the better. A good rule of thumb is to avoid any keyword or phrase that are over 20 characters. Step number 4. Do an internet search. Now that you have narrowed down your options, the next step is to take the top business names and put them into Google one at a time. These Google results are a good indicator to see if someone has already taken your brand name. Step 6. Ask your friends and family. Your friends and family are most likely to share their honest opinions, so sharing with them is a good idea. Step number 7. Buy a domain name and create your social media accounts. When you're starting a new brand, it's critical to have a domain and social media accounts of your new brand.